Hi, friends. Welcome back. Miss Walker here. And of course, our buddy Monkey the mathematician. And we are back to do Module 7, Lesson 3. So let's jump right into it. So repeat after me. Say, I can solve a word problem to find the smaller unknown amount. Good. I'm going to read it one more time. You can read it with me if you would like. I can solve a word problem to find the smaller unknown amount. Awesome. So we're going to solve word problems today to figure out the smaller unknown amount. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to get my tools ready. All right, mathematicians, our first problem says Gabby has 10 books. Billy has 3 fewer books than Gabby. How many books does Billy have? All right, friends, I would like to encourage you to turn off your I'm sorry, not turn off your camera. I meant to say, talk to your homeschool teacher and share with them what you need to circle, what you need to underline, and what you need to box. Then you can go ahead and do it and let me know. You can unpause when you're ready to continue. Welcome back, friends. I hope you had a chance to circle your numbers, our first step. So you should have circled the 10 and circled the 3. Underline the question, how many books does Billy have? And then we need to find keywords. Do you guys see keywords? Gabby has 10 books. Billy has 3 fewer books than Gabby. Yes, if you said fewer, that is a key word. It's telling us that, oh, sorry, let's erase that. I tried to put a box around fewer, but it didn't really turn out so great. And it blocked the up. There we go. Now we have a box around fewer. All right, so it says, how can you show the problem? Write an equation. So friends, I'm going to put a little G for Gabby so I can keep myself organized, and a little B for Billy. Let's start by drawing Gabby's books. How many books does Gabby have? Yes, that's right. She has 10 books. All right, go ahead and count to 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. And it says Billy has 3 fewer books than Gabby. So I have a question for you. Does that mean that when I draw Billy's books, I'm going to draw the same amount as Gabby? What do you think? No, because you're right. It says 3 fewer. So that means Billy's not going to have this one. He's not going to have this one. And he's not going to have this one because he has 3 fewer. Okay, let's draw Billy's books. Ready? Go ahead. Can you help me count to, let's just draw them until we get up to here and we'll know. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting them right under Gabby's. 5, 6, 7. Why do I have to stop, friends? Right, because he has 3 fewer. That means he doesn't have these 3. He has 3 less. So let's go ahead and count up how many books Billy has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Billy has how many books? Yes, he has 7 books. Friends, can you think of an equation? So go ahead and think of think of an equation that we use to solve that. So when you're ready, you can pause the video and go ahead and talk to your homeschool teacher about an equation that you could have just used to figure that out. Unpause when you're ready. Welcome back, friends. I hope you were able to find an equation, and I hope you had some great conversations. I think some of you were saying this one. We start with the 10 books Gabby has. We know he has 3 fewer. Another word for that is less. He has 3 less. So we're going to take away 3. And that gives us the 7 books that Billy now has. Awesome. Let's go ahead and do part B. It says Tracy has 9 markers. Tracy has 1 more marker than Charlie. How many markers does Charlie have? Let's go ahead and do circle, underlining, and boxing. You can pause the video to do that. Welcome back, friends. If you circled 9 and you circled 1, you are on the right track. If you underlined how many markers does Charlie have, you are on the right track. Do you guys see keywords? Yes, where it says 1 more. Tracy has 1. Try that again. 1 more marker than Charlie. That's a clue, right? Okay, let's get ready to draw these markers. So for markers, I'm going to draw some rectangles, and we're going to do a T for Tracy and a C for Charlie. All right, let's do some purple markers for Tracy. Can you guys help me count? How many markers does Tracy have? 9. Can you help me count to 9? 1, 2, these are cool looking markers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it says she has 1 more marker than Charlie. So that means, friends, when we draw the markers for Charlie, question, are we going to draw the same amount of markers as Tracy? No, because it says Tracy has 1 more. So that means Charlie is not going to have that one because Tracy has that extra one and Charlie doesn't. So let's go ahead and draw Charlie's markers. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, are we supposed to draw another one? No, because it says Tracy has 1 more. And friends, the way that our picture looks right now, this is how it's supposed to look. Tracy has the 1 more at the end. So let's go ahead and recount. How many markers does Charlie have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Charlie has 8 markers. Awesome. So friends, how can we write an equation? Pause and talk to your homeschool teacher. Welcome back, friends. If you said start with 9, and oops, let's try to do that again. We want to make our numbers on the line, Miss Walker. There we go. 9 minus 1. You are on the right track. Equals 8, because we know that Tracy had 9, and we know that she had 1 more than Charlie. So to figure out how many Charlie had, we had to take away 1. And we figured it out. Charlie has 8. And that matches our picture as well. Great job. Oh, time for a turn and talk, my friend Monkey. So Monkey, how can you check your answers? What do you think? Awesome. Okay, so Monkey was saying that he was using a related fact to check. Oh, can you explain it a little more? Okay, so Monkey was saying he checked his answers by doing a related fact. So what he wanted to do was he did, is this right? 8 plus 1. And you saw if it was 9. Is that what you did? Awesome, Monkey. So when you use a related fact, so Monkey started by doing the 9 minus 1 equals 8. And then to check his answer to make sure he was right, he thought, well, let me see. Kind of like the fact families we've been practicing. If he were to do 8 plus 1, using those same numbers, just making an addition fact, does that give him 9? And he said it did. So that's how he knew. Oh, okay, Monkey, come back. That's how he knew he did it right. He knows that 9 minus 1 equals 8 because when he checked it with addition and he added 8 plus 1, he got 9. Awesome, my friend. Well, boys and girls, great job today. I'm going to have you continue on your own. And I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks, friends.